All right, folks, Jeff from RV Diagnostics. That's the Beaver behind me right there that we're working on the video called Water Leak RV. So we all know the damage that's been done. I showed you. So I told you I was going to get a blow gun. I'm going to show you. Got it's pistol grip, a blow kit gun part number A3706. It's got all kind of attachments. The one I'm using today is this needle one. You can see there's different size in the tubes and all. All right, even got down all the way to small. You could probably inflate a football. Here's your pressure relief one, kind of like a muzzle on a rifle silencer. Here's your long one, right? And then it's got the OSHA probe little hole, and right there. See the little hole right in there? Right there. So then you got the ones that you could do like your transmission stuff on. And then you got the metal ones, right? And then you got, there you go. It's like a tire pressure. It hooks up to a tire Schrader inflator. And it's got a pretty nice kit. See, we've got like a micro one right here. See, a little bitty guy. You can put on the end of here, or the end of one of these if you have to. But anyway, that's what I'm doing. That's just, I have a little compressor like that. I don't need a lot because most of the diesel pushers I work on have air. But one day I might put an air compressor in the shop. But right now I'm getting by. There's one of my friends here. Hey, how you doing there? Well, it's cooling off out there, and there's like a bunch of mice and moles. Man, they've been bringing them to me left and right. I shouldn't be hungry, but I am. I ain't eating them. No. All right, so this is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. Just a quick video to let you know I'm going to blow it out. And I showed you the little edges and all where I'm going to on the previous video. I don't know, this is like video 7 or something. Don't hold me to it. All right, remember, what's the motto of RV Diagnostics and its team members? Because you belong to Team RV Diagnostics if you join the website. If you belong to the Facebook page, RV Diagnostics Troubleshooting, you're still a team member. All right. But if you join the website, I'm there. You text me. I'll find out what's wrong. We can sit down. We talk about it. Do video link step by step. Then you win. I do engines, diesel, gas, tires, brakes, air, hydraulic. It don't matter. If the tire hits the ground, to the top of the roof of the RV, to the front of the RV, to the back, inside and out. And you know what? You're towed too. All right, I can help you on that. But remember, it's test, not gas. That's the motto of Team RV Diagnostics. All right, please join the team. And the one I always say to people when I meet them in the RV parks and get ready to leave is safe travels, and may your campfire burn bright. I'm out of here. This is Jeff.